In this recording, you will learn some best practices for starting and closing your meeting. When starting your meeting, you will want to enter your classroom at least 10 minutes ahead of time. Once you enter your classroom, it will open similar to this. One best practice would then be clicking on Manage Participants to get your participant tab to open, and then clicking the chat to get your chat to open. Once you start sharing your screen, let me pick this one here. Notice that you do have the option then of opening your Manage Participants again and your chat one more time. So do keep that in mind that once you share your screen, you will have to open again the participant and the chat screen. You can move them both to your second monitor while you're sharing your first monitor. All right, one other best practice. Notice you do have the option when you're sharing your screen to pause your sharing. So I can pause my sharing and change things on my computer. My students would not be able to see that. It does freeze your screen on what you are currently sharing. So if you do need to flip to your gradebook or something like that, students will not see you doing that. Once you're back, you can resume your sharing again. One best practice for ending your meeting, when you do click end, notice you have the option to end the meeting for all or just leave the meeting. If you are the host of the room and you want to kick everybody out once you leave, you do want to click End Meeting for All. If you are not the host of the room and somebody is staying in the room with you, another teacher, they're staying and you're just leaving and you do not want to kick everybody out, you can just choose Leave Meeting. All right, hopefully that gives you some great options and tips for starting and ending your meeting.